We are launching today the Jubilee Year of the Order. And the theme of the Jubilee, 800 years, is sent to preach the gospel.
800 years na, sukad na mugna ang organisasyong Dominican nga gipanguluhan mismo ni Saint Dominic ngadtong tuig 1216 hangtod ning kasamtangan. Tema sa maong kasaulugan mao ang Sent to Preach the Gospel, kun mao ang pagsangyaw sa maayong balita sa atong labawng makagagahom ilabi na sa simbahang Katolika nga nahimong tumong ni Saint Dominic sa pagmugna sa maong organisasyon.
It is a very big order or organization of all the Dominican priests, including also the families. We are celebrating yung mga families na included on sa big order na founded by the other foundresses, mga women. We are affiliated to the big Dominican order of the priests founded by Saint Dominic. So the order has reached its 800 years from its foundation.
Tungod sa maong tumong, dagan ng mga sub-organization ang namugna. Tama na lamang gani sa pipila ka mga simbahan ug tulunghaan ilawom gihapon sa Dominican organization.
We always do our best when we are engaged in this. And I think this is what people expect of us. Dedication and love of the ministry. And then spreading the gospel as preachers, so that we can make Jesus known throughout all the people we can reach.
Si Emir Sean Katulpos, usa sa mga estudyante nga napailalom sa pagtudlo sa ginatawag nga pamaagi sa Dominican Organization, kung diin matud pa niya dakong kalipay niya nga pinaagi sa maong tinudluan. Mas nakakaton siya og maayong pamatasan nga mamahimo pa niyang ma-share sa uban, gawas o sulod man sa tulungaan. Gani, aminado kini nga duna siya'y natun-an nga wala mahibaw-an sa uban.
So starting off with our motto, the Damian motto, Laudare, Benedicere, and Predicare, which is to pray, to bless, and to preach. As a student, we've learned the 4 pillars in Dominican life, which are the study, pray, play, and serve. It's just which are very important in our lives as a Dominican, and especially we put Jesus in our center of our lives. Take for example myself, as the eldest son in our family, and I could teach my younger brothers to do the things that are supposed to do and what not to do, and to do everything they do in the Dominican way.
Pisa nang higala ni ining si Carl Dominic Gascon ang mapasalamaton sa kahigayunan nga siya nakasulod sa susamang tulungaan, kung diin pinaagi niini mas napalaw man pa kuno ang iyang pagtuo.
Of course, every day as we pray the Holy Rosary, and as a student leader also, I am also serving my co-students, and in some practices of our school, like outreach activities, exposure programs, we can share to others what we have, just like what did a Dominican saint told us, that we can't give to others what we don't have.
Sa maong kasaulugan, pasalig sa mga relihiyoso nga ilawom sa maong organisasyon, mas paligunon pa nila kini aron masangyawan pa sa maayong balita ang wala mahibalo.
Our religion is part of our curriculum. We teach students the practices, the religious practices that they need to inculcate, and of course Jesus Christ as the center of their lives as Dominicans.
Our apostolates, meaning to say, we go into teaching, hospitals, healthcare, and we have also, that's why we have the priests have their universities, we have also schools, then we have healthcare, then we have mission in the other countries. No?
Faith Dandoy, Brigada News.